Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nuazan Abdulghani, and this is for assignment engineering maths 3 for question 4 and question 5. For question 4, it is stated that is given an elliptic partial differential equation. Determine the steady state heat distribution in a thin square metal plate with dimension 0.6 meter by 0.6 meter using n equals to 3 and m equals to 3. From the information that stated is n equals to 3 and m equals to 3, we can determine that the box is 3 by 3 from that information. And next is two adjacent boundaries at 0 degrees Celsius, and the heat on the other boundaries increases linearly from 0 to one corner to 50 degree, where the side meets for xy intercept r equals to xy 0, 0.6, y 0.6. The boundary conditions are u 0y equals to 0 and u x 0 equals to 0 and u at 0.6 equals to 50x and u 0.6y equals to 80y. From the information, u x 0.6 equals to 50x and u 0.6y equals to 80y is for the point that there is up and the right side. We can sub to get the value, and then we can start sketch the grid when we found out the dimension is 3 by 3, and then when we done sketch the grid, we can apply it to find P1, P2, and P1, P2, P3. And P4. We can find from the point that we sketched on the grid. And then when we have pinpoint the point of the grid, we can find the equation for P1, P2, and P3. And when we done that, we can use Gauss seidel to find the value of it. Okay. So for question 5, we get that u0t equals to u1t equals to 0, and t is more than 0, and u at 0 is equal to sine pi y, and 0 is less than or equal to x, and is more than, and 0 and x is more than or equals to 0, and less than or equals to 1. So from this question 5, we found that h is equal to 0.2 and k is equal to 0.02. From this information, we can calculate the lambda by formula alpha squared times k over h squared, and we can get the lambda. And the function of lambda is to insert in the formula, which is the Tij plus 1 equals to Tij plus lambda times Ti plus 1j minus 2 Tij plus Ti minus 1j. We can sub the equation to get the T31, T41, and T51. To get the T31, we sub first the T30 plus lambda times T40 minus 2 T30 plus T20. And how to get the T30? We get it from the given lambda, which is 8. The given h is 0.2, and we times by 3 because 0.2 is 3 is 3 times 0.2, and then we got 0.6, and the sub in the formula is signed by the formula given. Yeah. And then we can get T3 plus 331 and T41 and T51. So that's how I do it. Thank you.